Guys, basically, I'm going to travel to Maputo to do my IELTS exam, and I'm gonna vlog all of this. So guys, this is my luggage. I'm thinking this side clothes, just clothes. I'm still thinking. And for this side, like accessories, shoes, whatever, Think I'm going with this clothes. You're gonna see in the morning, so yeah. I came here to show you guys my outfit because I did not have time when I was home. So I'm basically wearing this and sneakers.
Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flight.
So guys, I'm going home now. My uncle came to pick me up. So I'm starving, like starving. So guys, I'm home and I want to show you guys something. I'm gonna unboxing my delivery. I've been waiting for this for months. I bought it in India. My friend brought it to Mozambique, but it was like here at the capital city, Maputo. I live in Nampula, so do the math. Now we're going to open. I already opened the package, but everything inside is intact. So let's see together. The first thing we are opening is my new mic. So this is the new mic. I'm gonna open it first because there's a lot of noise. I think there's a construction, so I wanna test it and use it for the rest of the video. It's pretty cute. Yeah, it's the charger. I have a lot. Oh, it has two cables. Okay, three actually. One for. Okay, both of these are Type C. I have two Type C cables, and also this iPhone. Ooh, they look nice. So these are the ones. There's a clip here to attach to the clothes. I don't know if it's working. I literally don't know if it's working. It's on. There are some lights here, but I don't know if it's working. Let me just try to attach it here. Hello guys. I don't know if it's working. Let me check. I'm coming. So guys, there's a lot of noise here, but I don't think it is working. I'm gonna do a better tasting later on. I'll try to figure out how it works because I literally don't know how this works. But the one that I was most excited with is this one because you guys know how much I bother you guys. Like my past videos, I was always like, I'm sorry for the noise, but like I'm very happy. Finally, I'm gonna let it charge and try to see how it works. So next, I have my skincare products. Basically, I got 4 packages of this, which is gonna stay for around 3 to 4 months. Yeah, 4 months, I would say. And I think they gave me a gift because I didn't bought this. And like I go from Tira, like the site in India, Tira shopping, and here is written like GPP Tira cherry earring. So I think they gave me a gift. They're so cute. Yeah, but they're like very cute. I like them. Okay, how do I? Ooh, what? Okay, it's different. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be tough. How do I? Okay, I think I got it. I don't know. I think it's gonna fall. What? Is it right? Should it be like this? What do you think, guys? Rate my new earring. Yeah. So basically that's it. And also my moisturizer is very nice, is this one. I already have one that is open, I'm still using, but I decided to buy a little bit more. So basically all of these skincare products are for 3 months, and after that I'll buy again from India, you know. I think there is a change because this is me without the light, like, here this light it's off, so I think it's not working. So this is the audio, and now let's turn it on. So now this is the audio with the lights on. I think it's switched on, but my thing is there is like an option of mute, as you can see. I think you can see, is it focusing? Yeah, there's a mute, but I don't know how to turn it on, so I think I have to research on YouTube. So guys, I'm already home and I'm gonna practice a little bit because my exam is on Saturday. So yeah, but I'm fine. So guys, this is our lunch. We have rice. I wasn't the one cooking, but it looks delicious. Some fries, and this is pork meat. Eu não sei. Veio quando já? So guys, currently I'm just laying down and resting. There's nothing to do or to show, so see you later. Hello guys, good morning. So today is Friday, and I have my exam tomorrow, my IELTS. I'm already mistaken the name. My IELTS exam tomorrow. So as I was saying, I have my exam tomorrow, and I'm actually practicing here at the official site, IELTS test taker portal. I'm just solving some examples, exercises. I'm so nervous, but at the same time, I'm like, whatever, like, I'm going to do my best. So guys, I told you I have an exam tomorrow, but the thing is, when I did my registration, I did it with my passport, and currently I kind of forgot my passport at home, and I have only my personal ID. So I have to go there and ask if it's okay if I take my ID, because I don't want any surprises tomorrow. My exam is very early, around 7. Like, I gotta be there by 7:30 because the exam starts at 8, and I don't want like no drama. So I'm going there. I hope they still open and they can tell me something positive. So guys, it was actually good that I went there because guess what? I forgot my passport. I forgot my passport when I was in Nampula, and I forgot that I have to use the ID that I used for registration form to do the exam. And when I went there, I explained my situation. I told them that I forgot my document. I explained that I only have my personal ID, but they say that there's no way I can do the exam without my passport. That means I have to find a way to send my passport today because tomorrow it's 7:30 that I have to be there. So currently I'm so nervous, like I'm stressed out, and I'm just asking like people back home to go to my house, take the passport, go to the airport, and wait that someone that is like kind-hearted to take my passport. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm very stressed right now. Let's see how it goes. Guys, to add up to the situation, my Uber Yango it just broke. Like there's no fuel, and now I'm waiting here for the guy to go and buy fuel and come back. Come on, like. Good morning, guys. So today is 28th of February. It's my exam day, and I'm going there right now. IELTS reading, speaking, no, reading, listening, and writing. I have to come back at 12:30 because I have my speaking exam. I mean, it was not that difficult. It was like okay, but I'm not that confident at the same time. So let's hope I can pass it. Which one is working? Which one is not? I don't know. So guys, I am going to attempt taking a bus. It's very rare for me to take a bus like here in Maputo. I usually, walk around with my cousins. They take me wherever I want to go. So right now, I'm just gonna attempt taking a bus. I hope I don't get lost.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin.
So guys, I am going to church, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this baggy shirt, some heels, and the boyfriend trousers, baggy jeans, white like baggy jeans. I'm currently waiting for my uncle to take me to church. I'm going to the cathedral of Maputo, and yeah, I feel pretty. I also did my hair, it's looking pretty nice. So early on, I was having an existential crisis, and I was like, I'm feeling bad. But then I was like, girl, just go, And now I'm feeling good because I'm looking pretty and I'm going to praise the Lord. So, it's dark, so you cannot see properly, but this is the parish. There's a construction being held here, that's why these things are there. And over there is the statue of Samora Machel. Okay, I want to introduce you guys to my engineer friends. Huh? Are you ready? Look at this guy. He's an engineer now. Come on. This is the famous tordre. This is a famous shellfish that is usually found at the coastal area is most consumed in Kilimani, Zambezia, and basically you remove the product from its shell after boiling. First you have to boil everything and then you remove it and then you cook with tomatoes and onions and it's delicious. You can see me enjoying this masterpiece. You have to eat with shima and this is shima. The days are very much cloudy and it's raining. That's basically what's going on. I've been sitting home, a little bit depressed I would say, but let's hope that this vlog is gonna end in a positive vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe guys. Kisses. My first time having KFC in Mozambique. The first time I had KFC was in India, so I don't know. And I went there and I asked for like all-star box. In the picture it was showing like soda and fries, a bunch of stuff, and they gave me this small package. I don't know, and I was too shy to complain. I just paid for it, so let's see. I don't know. So this is it. The fries, they're different from the ones I had, but okay. This is like mayo and chili and ketchup. The burger is so funny. Look how small is it. Like it's so small and it has nothing inside, like literally nothing. What is this? Shame. This is an attempt of salad. What is this? The chicken is nice, the fries are okay, but the burger like a 4 or a 10. So guys, now we are checking some clothing. This is my auntie and Benjamin is right there. I am at H&M right now checking on something, but I haven't seen anything interesting, so yeah. These are the things I chose. I'm gonna show you better when I get home. Now we are checking some books. My uncle wants to buy a couple of books. He actually reads a lot, but I don't read too much. I want to start reading. He even got me 2 books, so let's see if I get the habit. So guys, we are going back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave in the comments below what you think about this vlog. Bye. See